Okay, I got it to work. All right, so if we are in a Google Meet and we want to present our screen, oop, we will, hi, so if we wanted to present our screen, I got this to work, we will go to you'll open up a new tab, and that's just by pressing the plus sign at the top. And then you will go to your drive, select the tab you'd like to present. So we're going to go to this one. And then, so if you're presenting, I'm sorry, so you'll go here and then you'll go down to present now. And then I would choose a tab. It's a little bit easier. It works nicely to go back and forth to the Meet. And then you would click which tab you'd like to present. So I would click the clock. So now, right now, the students can see your screen. So here's where your screen will be and all the students will be on this side. So then you press present and you can go through this way. But then when you get to the video, you can play right from here. So you can click that. And then when you get to, oops, you can also press space to get to the next slide, or you can press the arrow. Now, in order to move this box to determine the answer, you'll have to press escape or exit. And then you would drag the answer. And then you would go back to present the next screen. And then you would keep going. And then when you're done, you can press stop sharing. If there was something else that you were like, oh, I actually want to show you something on Mrs. Hymes Google Classroom, you can go up here and press share this tab instead. And now they're able to see the classroom. And then when you're done, you can either press stop here or you can go here and press stop. Now, in order for them to hear the audio of a video, you have to make sure that this is on. If it's off, they won't be able to hear it. If it's on, they will. And you could turn your mic off if you're doing something while they're watching a video. You can press turn off microphone and they won't be able to hear you, but they could still hear the video. Okay, great. So when I press stop, it goes back to the regular screen and then you can talk like normal. So, okay, I hope that helped.